Water is an important element for long term sustainable living. So, in my farm, I'm majorly dependent on the rainwater, but during the summer, I had to use water from the borewell. I don't have the electricity connectivity to my farm, so I'm completely dependent on solar power, and I use a 24-volt solar water pump. The panels and the UPS they are located about 200 meters away from this point. The connections and the plumbing work are pretty simple. This small pump has a 1 inch um, outlet, and I connect that to a 1.25-inch pipe, which is what I have been using in the farm. These are not threaded pipes, so I use the glue. I'm using a 1.5 mm coaxial cable, and it is about 150 meters. And then I connect it to the 24-volt industrial SMPS. This is where most of the problems occur. The SMPS sometimes it can break, and the discharge is okay because I'll be running the pump all the 5 days during the daytimes, and then I can utilize the water from this pump for the vegetable fields. The next thing I had to do was fix my water tank because this is what I use for bathing and kitchen purpose. I cleaned up the inside of the tank. I also decided to raise the height of the bed because I felt the pressure was not adequate for the bathrooms. I placed these cement blocks in a circle shape and then fill the inside with the rocks which were lying there for quite some time. So placing these stones, it's an art. You have to make sure that it is stable under gravity. It should not be shaking or moving. This is the same method which the stone laying masons also use. After filling the shape with rocks, I then fill the gaps with soil. So this will prevent the rocks from moving any further. So the basic principle is geometry and stability under gravity. So I'm not using any motor for this because I'll be once I fill the tank, this will be around 2 tons of weight. And if it is geometrically stable, then you don't have any problems. So you really don't have to use a motor here. Even if I had to raise another 2 3 layers, I would still not use motor for this purpose. So I already cleaned the inside. It had a bit of sand coming out from the borewell. Okay. Thank you for watching. I will soon see you in a new video.